Hello and welcome, everyone. I'm very happy to present to you OnPrintShop's latest solution that focuses on providing print service providers with a single platform to manage multiple print segments across multiple sales channels. Today, print companies have a greater opportunity to grow gross sales by offering multiple types of products to their customer base. But the challenge for this is determining what type of technology you should invest in to make this happen. So in the past, for every new print segment or sales channel that they were wanting to introduce, they would have to invest in a new technology platform. Research has shown us more than 40% of print service providers use between 2 and 4 different platforms, as no one technology is able to support varied print segments across sales channels. So having multiple platforms not only adds an unneeded cost, but the overall buying experience is impacted, and printers struggle by managing multiple backends with no streamlined order processing. So to address this and these major challenges in the market, at OnPrintShop, we've enhanced our solution with these 4 major aspects, which is what I'm going to show you today. The first area is the print e-commerce experience for B2All. So with one solution, you can manage 6 different types of sales channels like B2C, B2B, resellers, print store branches, and even a franchise network, all within one single platform. So here's a great example of a B2C storefront that our customers use to grow retail business by providing a modern user experience with ready-to-go themes to choose from. Now, one of the added benefits in this is you can also manage your small B2B repeat customers with the My Account function. It provides all the information for past and current orders. It's also a repository for their designs and images, as well as all their account information. For those larger, more defined customers, using B2B portals as a sales tool lets you engage buying groups that range from small business all the way up to multi-million-dollar corporate accounts by offering them private branded storefronts just for them. Those branded B2B storefronts that still allow corporate users to have that same customer experience as they not only order their specific products, but can also allow you to introduce new products that you can supply into the mix. So it works great for stock and fulfillment items, as well as print-on-demand products. Printers using B2B storefronts like this become more sticky with their customers, which helps build a better relationship. Now, the second area we've enhanced at OnPrintShop is in our print estimation functionality for those multiple print segments. We've worked to simplify the estimation and pricing logics for 9 different print segments, like commercial, large format, promotional, canvas, photo products, and even 3-dimensional packaging. Here's a great example of a customer-facing price calculator, which not only supports a standard product like this business card with a fixed size, a fixed quantity, and different types of options that the customer can choose, but also works well with a vinyl banner in large format, again with a fixed size or a custom size, and options that the end user can choose and show them an instant price. We can even adjust for 3-dimensional packaging products that utilizes a custom size calculation where the end user can enter the length, the width, and the depth of the desired size, along with different types of options provided. Again, we provide an instant price estimate without any dependency. That can save up to 70% of time that the print provider typically spends on taking that estimation manually. To accomplish this, we built our advanced master product options that use formula-based calculations to create the complex pricing estimations, which can reduce or even eliminate the need for managing multiple Excel spreadsheets. What it also does is that in a matter of seconds, printers can even adjust the pricing based on a material change or a process change and automatically push that charge out to the assigned products. So these are just a few of the examples of the different types of products that represent the 9 different segments that our customers can make available to their end users using OnPrintShop. Now, the third area we focused on to enhance is our HTML online design experience with 3D preview. Now you can personalize the Designer Studio experience per product. Here, end users can design simple products like business cards that can have a fixed asset or even a preset design template. We can also look at large format applications like a yard sign where we can replace images as well as type. We even go into more complex design functions like for canvas and wall arts, where we've added special functionalities to showcase instant preview with multiple finishing options. You can even visualize the product on the wall in the space that you're looking for. The same applies to our photo book editor, where you can allow the end user to design and preview all of their favorite memories, all within this same platform. Now, our packaging editor has a real unique feature, because while I'm designing the box that you see on the screen, OnPrintShop's also showing me a live preview in 3D of what this box is going to look like, where I can zoom in, so that way I know where each design is going to go and what it's going to look like in the finished product. And as an added benefit for all of this, these design products that I just showed you, the system will generate a print-ready, high-res PDF, which can go directly into your print workflow. So as you can see, with OnPrintShop, you can support these multiple segments all within one platform, utilizing our enhanced simplified estimation functions, and at the same time, providing a modern design experience. Which brings us now to our fourth target area of enhancement, and that's the integrated print order management and workflow automation. Moving into the back end, this complete solution will optimize order management, bringing all of your orders into one simple view. Whether you're looking at retail or B2B or different sales channels, it's something that all of your staff can access, so no orders missed. Provides you with one technology so you can be able to manage orders. You can see the order with the different products that are assigned. And at the same time, we're able to connect to your internal MIS or workflow with a powerful ready API. Because with the option of 300 plus integrations, all with major CRM, MIS, and workflows, along with supplier APIs like 4over, Promo Standards, and Cena Printing, it allows the print provider to become a one-stop shop solution for their customer. And that gives you the tools you need to grow your business across multiple sales channels and expand your customer base by offering a diverse range of products and services. So I want to thank you for watching the short overview of OnPrintShop. If you're interested to learn more, please reach out to us at onprintshop.com and connect with us. We'd love to walk you through how we can help you grow your business with OnPrintShop.